Have you ever grown peppers that look beautiful on the plant but tasted bland, bitter, too hot, or just not worth growing again? That shouldn't be the case at all. Peppers should be full of flavor. Today, I am going to teach you how to grow 5 tasty peppers. So let's get started here on Grow by Zone. Peppers are warm season crops that grow best in USDA zones 5 through 11, but almost all gardeners can grow them as annuals during the warm months. Peppers are believed to have originated in Central and South America, where they have been grown for thousands of years. Today, they are used all over the world in fresh dishes, roasted recipes, sauces, salsas, and seasonings. The word pepper became attached to these plants because early explorers compared their spicy heat to black pepper, even though they are completely different plants. For beginners, the main pepper types to know are sweet peppers, frying peppers, roasting peppers, chili peppers, and seasoning peppers. Some are sweet and mild, while others bring smoky, tangy, fruity, or spicy flavor. And even though we use peppers like vegetables, botanically speaking, they are actually fruits because they grow from flowers and contain seeds. Peppers are also full of nutrition, including vitamin C, vitamin A, antioxidants, and fiber. That makes them one of the most colorful and flavorful crops you can grow in the garden. Now let's talk about planting peppers, what they love, what causes them to struggle, how to harvest them, and how to store them after harvest. Peppers are usually started from seed indoors about 8 to 10 weeks before your last frost date. They need warm soil to germinate, so be patient. Once the weather is warm and all danger of frost has passed, transplant them outside into rich, well-draining soil. Peppers love full sun, warm temperatures, steady moisture, and compost-rich soil. They do not like cold weather, soggy roots, or drying out for too long. Inconsistent watering can cause stress, blossom drop, smaller peppers, or bitter flavor. Most peppers also benefit from support, especially when the plants get heavy with fruit. A small stake or cage can keep the stems from bending or breaking. Peppers are usually ready to harvest when they reach full size and the color you want. Many peppers start green and become sweeter, fruitier, or more flavorful as they ripen to yellow, orange, red, or purple. After harvest, store fresh peppers in the refrigerator in a produce bag. For longer storage, peppers can be frozen, roasted, dried, or turned into sauces and seasonings. Peppers can struggle with blossom drop, sun scald, yellowing leaves, root rot, fungal disease, and slow growth. Most of these problems come from cold weather, inconsistent watering, poor drainage, too much nitrogen, or extreme heat. The main harmful pests to watch for are aphids, spider mites, flea beetles, thrips, pepper weevils, hornworms, and cutworms. Aphids and spider mites can weaken the plant by feeding on the leaves, while hornworms and cutworms can damage stems and foliage quickly. For natural prevention, plant peppers in full sun, water at the base, avoid soggy soil, mulch around the plant, and give each pepper enough space for airflow. Beneficial insects can help too. Ladybugs, lacewings, hoverflies, parasitic wasps, and bees all support a healthier pepper garden. For companion planting, peppers grow well near basil, marigolds, nasturtiums, onions, carrots, oregano, parsley, and cilantro. These plants can help attract beneficial insects, support pollination, and create a healthier garden overall. Now let's rank the top 5 best tasting peppers for beginners, from last place to first place. Number 5 is Shishito. Shishito peppers are savory, mild, and slightly grassy, with a smoky flavor when blistered in a hot pan. Most are mild, but every now and then, one brings a little surprise of heat. Number 4 is Jimmy Nardello. This is a sweet frying pepper with rich, fruity flavor. When cooked, it becomes almost candy-like, making it one of the best sweet peppers for roasting, frying, or fresh eating. Number 3 is Aji Lemon Drop. This pepper is bright, citrusy, tangy, and spicy. It has a lemony flavor that makes it perfect for salsa, hot sauce, and anyone who wants heat with real flavor. Number 2 is Poblano. Poblanos are earthy, smoky, savory, and mildly spicy. When roasted, they become rich and deep in flavor, which makes them perfect for stuffing, sauces, chili, and soups. And number 1 is Habanada. Habanada gives you that tropical, fruity, floral habanero flavor without the intense heat. It is sweet, flavorful, unique, and one of the most pleasant peppers you can grow. If this helped, like, share, subscribe, and download the free one-page pepper guide. Here on Grow by Zone, we are growing plant by plant, zone by zone, helping you grow smarter wherever you live.